Oh, I just got smoked right there, dude. Nuh-uh. Right there. Oh, there he is again. Oh, I got him that time. Oh, he got off. That was crazy. That fish was just destined to get away. Oh, there's another one. Oh, that was a better fish too. Oh, oh, he did. No, he got off. Dude, they were sitting right there. You got another one? Dude, we're in them right here. Oh, I got another one. They're stacked right there. Yeah, should be.
I thought you turned it off already.
Huh, it should be on. It better be. Okay, another double. Which one's bigger?
Yeah, it's on.
Yeah, this one's got a black spot on it too, look.
Yeah, that's cool.
They're stacked right there, dude. Jake, cast straight towards that brown cow.
They're stacked everywhere around here. I thought mine were at the boat.
Golly. There's got to be a crappie in this bunch somewhere.
I'm gonna find a score on it. Probably.
Yeah. Well, heck, the first time we came through here, we did catch a crappie. The guy wasn't capping about that color, was he? Not yet. Don't do it, don't do it. That fish fought harder than all them other fish combined. Oh! Crappie. Oh, oh, that's so scary. There's gonna be more. They were right there, so. The fish up there. Oh, there's one. That might be I don't know. That might be a crappie. Or smaller bass. Look at that right there. Right there next to where my fish just was. Oh. Yeah, look at it up there. Got one? Right there by that little stick. Oh, there's one up there.
Oh, gosh. Is that necessary?
Was that necessary? That's a big, that's a nice one. Yeah, he felt heavy because we were still moving. He was head shaking like crazy though. That scared me.
Oh my gosh.
Got a good one?
They like it.
At the stars with our Colt 45, putting on a show and living free.
Hey, double up again. Which one's bigger this time? They were right. Huh? You got him. Dang. That's fish. on the Beal spin. That might be a good fish too. I don't know. Can't tell what that is. I caught it trolling. Is that crappie? Oh, it is. Ooh, stud crappie. Smoked that sumbug. Look at there. That's a good crappie right there. Oh, look at that big turtle, dude. Look at that turtle right there. Oh, well, that's quick release. Oh, I might be able to catch that turtle. Oh, I got a fish right there. I didn't catch the turtle though. By the time I made it to the turtle, I caught a fish. There we go, that's more like it. See that turtle over there? Cast over about that turtle. That's the second time I've casted at a turtle and caught a fish. Well, the first one was quick release, but... Alright, calm down. I was gonna say another double up. Oh, look at the way that thing got hooked. That is wild. Boy caught air.
Not slapping at all.
Oh, I got one too.
Double.
If I can get one, I gotta put some slack on my line. We put them pliers yesterday. His old gills. I want to tear him up. Huh? Yeah. Which one's bigger?
About the same.
I was gonna say that. There's a fish. Yeah, there's a fish. Don't worry about it. You don't have to slow down very much. I caught that fool trolling. I don't know what it is though. Oh, is that a crappie? No. I like these worms because they're staying on the hook good. No? Money.